Hello, dear students. I, Dinesh Karmalkar, your comedy teacher, welcomes you to JVM's New English School Kalwa online teaching classes. And today we will see our next practical of Standard Ninth. Now, the objective of today's practical is today we are going to learn how to create table with spanning on the web page. Now, what is spanning? Spanning means we can combine the two or more columns or rows together and merge together to create one cell. How to do this and what are the tags responsible for this? All this we will see in this today's practical. Now, for software requirements, can use Notepad for typing the program, and to view the output we are using the Edge web browser. Of course, you can use other web browsers like Google Chrome or Internet Explorer, which is available on the computer. And for Android mobile, you can use Notepad++ app or any other app which supports the HTML programming. Now let's see what is here spanning. The spanning means to combine two or more cells in a column or row to make the single cell. So we can combine rows to make one row. We are combining two, three columns to make one cell. We can combine rows or three rows or two, three columns, two or more rows. Any number of columns or rows you can combine. It is widely used for headings and titles. Now to combine cells horizontally, we use call span. Horizontally, if you want to combine, we are using the call span. DD call span 4, it means four columns merged together. And for vertically combining, we are using the row span, in which rows are combining together like this vertically, three or more rows. This the example which I given in this, in which it row span equal to 3 means 3 rows I am combined together. Here call span 4 means 4 columns I am combined together. Now let's practically how this works, how it can be used, that we will see one example which is given on the book page number 52 of your book. So let's type that program first. HTML heading, and then we are using the title spanning, in table close the head tag. And the body, here we will use the top margin equal to 50, left margin equal to 50. Color I'm not giving. Now I will start with the table. Here border I am giving as let's say 5. Border color also we will give here. Let's say take it red only because its more visibility is good for the red color. Then first we will start with the TR. Now this TR, in this the first heading which I am going to use is TH is the heading. For that it is use call span. So this heading call span is equal to 4, call span 4. So 4 columns will be merged together, and alignment I am going to take here as the center. 4 columns will be merged together. Now just what is writing here, class 10th, then this heading is finished, and in this row is finished. But this one th is equivalent to 4 different columns. Here 4 columns we are doing 4. So accordingly, so this table consists of 4 columns now because we use call for 4 starting only. Now second tr will start here. Here we have to use /tr, of course. In this again we are using the th only, and here we are using row span. Now row span is equal to, we are taking as 3, so it will take 3 rows. 3 rows will take space of 3 rows, and here we are going to use here details, and here th/th. So 3 rows will be taken here. and so here 4 columns and 3 rows will be there after that first row. So here tr this, then in this will be first details is there which are having a th. So remember here we are using 4 columns. The first column data is 1, second th which we are going to use is serial number, then third th here only I'm typing is as name as usual, and next th I'm going to use as grades. So here side this grades th. So this is, so here we are having 4 defined 4 columns. This is first column, second column, this is the second column, this is the third column, and this is the fourth column, because we have used 4 columns here, that's why. So now our tr has been finished, but the first the row, column which is having 3 rows, it is there. So next dr I am taking here. Now in this there will be data will be 3 only, because one column already has taken that rows, 3 rows already are taken. So here 3 rows already is being combined here. So here data will be 3 only, because that details will take the completely of the for the next 3 rows space will take. So here data I am going to take at 1 slash td minus slash td a plus. So this 3 only data will come here less dr, because here 1 minus, because the details is taking the space of that first row, first column. Next 2 columns were defined, because here 3 rows it is taken. Now when you will type this, that I will understand properly here. And I will copy this and I will use this. There also will be there 3 columns td, 3 tds will be there, not the 4 tds, because the first td is occupied by the th. And here I am taking as a plus plus. Now let's see, use this and complete this first further. Slash table and slash body and slash html. I will save this. Let's open this, see the output, and then we'll compare this. Okay, now you can see here how the it looks. You can see here now how the table is there. You can see the top margin 50, left margin, but let's directly move the table here. 5 very thick border we used, border color red, and now you see the first one, this one. You can see here call span is 4, so 4 columns space it is 1 2 3 4 columns. This first tr, there will be one th is there which is occupying the columns of 4 columns are combined together to make this one upper cell, which is having only data as class 10th, and it is used as the heading. You can see alignment, center, all this being used here. For giving it color, you have to use the font tag here. You can use, of course you can use your font tag if you want, and have a bigger size. You can have size equal to 6, and color if you want you can give it here as blue, so this will look more attractive, but that you have to inside this th you have to use this. Now you can see very big 6 size, and color also I use, but that th only gives make it border sorry bold, and now for size I increase here 5. Let's make it a little bit smaller, because it become too big. Yes, now it's okay, and it's having color blue also, that I used with the help of font tag. Now let's move on to the next row. Now next row, what we have done here, row span is 3, so this details is taking 3 row space, 1 2 and 3 row space taken, and then the serial number and name is coming in this. So second row is having these details and serial number and name and grades. So second row is having the 4 columns, 1 details, then serial number, name and grades, 1 2 3 4. These 4 rows place is taken by this upper row. and here this detail is taking the space of 3 rows. So that's why you used here row span. It is vertically combining cells, and this is horizontally combining cells. We are combined 4 different cells horizontally, that is make 4 columns are combined together to make this class 10th, and the detail is combining these 3 different rows, 3 cells, but vertically, that is row span, it is col span. So in the col span we are combining 4 columns, in the row span we are combining 3 rows. Here 3 rows are combined. So here is now next row, if you come see here, already the we are not, the first data is already their details, which is common for the second row and third row also. So that data we are not taking here, we are directly taking the second column, that is TD1, third column TD minus, and fourth column is A plus. Here also directly we are moving to the, if you increase one more thing, then see what will happen. Suppose I want one more data, and I am putting here as 3. Let's see what happens there. Yes, now see the problem comes here, because what happens here, you are getting here these 3 starting from here, because you can see your details taking only row span 3. So 3 rows only it is taking. So this TD is coming here. It is because details is common only for these 2 rows, 3 rows FQs. For serial number we have put here, then for the second row these details is there, and for this 2 also details is there, for 3 not because it is coming outside. So if you want increase the one more data, you have to increase the row span also, you have to make it 4. Now you will get the proper data. Now you can see it getting proper. So as you increase the data, you have to increase the row span also. Suppose now if you want fourth this one, fourth data, suppose 4 data, if you want to increase, here some other name I will give. So when you use row span, you have to take care of all these things. Here I am using as B plus. Now if I save this, now again problem will come for this. So simply we have to make it 5 now. 1 2 3 4 5. Now we can save this. Okay, now we are getting here. So this way we can have this row span and col span. This is a very complicated concept, but by practice you can understand this. So for col span we are combining the 4 rows, and for row span I combined your 5 columns. You can see from 1 2 3 4 5. So here data I have to make it 4 data. Yes, now you can see 4 data. Now all 5 columns rows has been combined with details. And of course for details also you can increase the font size and color you can give. For that you have to use this and make it 4, and color you can give let's say purple. You can see here just purple color or not, or you can have it at 5 only size. You can see very big it is coming now. So headings we have colored, given increase the size with the font tag, and this all we have combined with the row spans and columns. So that is to make it look table more attractive, we are using col span and row span. So this way we have seen how it is the use of this in the table. Let's move to our assignment question. So in the assignment, simply make the web page which is shown in today's practical. Same example you take, you take more records. I have shown up to 4 records. You take around 5-6 records and just see how to manipulate that row span and col span and understand the concept of it. Talk to the next practical. Thank you very much.